Hello friends! Welcome to English Cast. In this video, we will learn useful English words and sentences to improve your speaking skills. So let's get started.
Do you see this?
Do you see this?
Do you see this?
Do you see this?
Give me a call.
Give me a call.
Give me a call.
Give me a call.
Be nice to her.
Be nice to her.
Be nice to her.
Be nice to her.
What is wrong?
What is wrong?
What is wrong?
What is wrong?
Bring some water.
Bring some water.
Bring some water.
Bring some water.
Who is your friend?
Who is your friend?
Who is your friend?
Who is your friend?
It is too cold.
It is too cold.
It is too cold.
It is too cold.
Can you cook this?
Can you cook this?
Can you cook this?
Can you cook this?
I lost my phone.
I lost my phone.
I lost my phone.
I lost my phone.
Let's walk home.
Let's walk home.
Let's walk home.
Let's walk home.
Show me your work.
Show me your work.
Show me your work.
Show me your work.
Open the book.
Open the book.
Open the book.
Open the book.
Close your eyes.
Close your eyes.
Close your eyes.
Close your eyes.
Stop making noise.
Stop making noise.
Stop making noise.
Stop making noise.
Turn off the fan.
Turn off the fan.
Turn off the fan.
Turn off the fan.
Call me later.
Call me later.
Call me later.
Call me later.
Don't be rude.
Don't be rude.
Don't be rude.
Don't be rude.
Sit near me.
Sit near me.
Sit near me.
Sit near me.
Stand over there.
Stand over there.
Stand over there.
Stand over there.
Look at this.
Look at this.
Look at this.
Look at this.
Take my advice.
Take my advice.
Take my advice.
Take my advice.
Come here now.
Come here now.
Come here now.
Come here now.
I am so hungry.
I am so hungry.
I am so hungry.
I am so hungry.
Can you feel it?
Can you feel it?
Can you feel it?
Can you feel it?
Where's your brother?
Where's your brother?
Where's your brother?
Where's your brother?
What's your hobby?
What's your hobby?
What's your hobby?
What's your hobby?
I will text you.
I will text you.
I will text you.
I will text you.
Don't move now.
Don't move now.
Don't move now.
Don't move now.
What is that sound?
What is that sound?
What is that sound?
What is that sound?
Read it aloud.
Read it aloud.
Read it aloud.
Read it aloud.
I don't mind it.
I don't mind it.
I don't mind it.
I don't mind it.
Give me a hug.
Give me a hug.
Give me a hug.
Give me a hug.
It's very quiet.
It's very quiet.
It's very quiet.
It's very quiet.
Let's play again.
Let's play again.
Let's play again.
Let's play again.
Try to focus.
Try to focus.
Try to focus.
Try to focus.
Who is waiting?
Who is waiting?
Who is waiting?
Who is waiting?
Don't run fast.
Don't run fast.
Don't run fast.
Don't run fast.
Take this gift.
Take this gift.
Take this gift.
Take this gift.
Don't look down.
Don't look down.
Don't look down.
Don't look down.
Come right now.
Come right now.
Come right now.
Come right now. Oh, and before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like this video. See you next time.